that Bonnie and I are together, tigilan mo na yung dilulu mo sa kanya. Tama na yung kakadikit-dikit mo sa boyfriend ko.
Kaibigan lang kami.
Talaga? Parang hindi naman yun yung napanood ko.
Ano napanood?
Akala ko hindi ka attend ng convention eh. Mga text ko ba nare-receive mo?
Naging busy lang talaga ako ng mga nakaraang araw kaya hindi ako nakakapag-reply sa'yo. Aray! Ouch!
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Kasi nag-iingat eh.
Hindi, okay lang. Hindi naman malala yung pagkapasok ko.
Sigurado ka?
Oo, CR na ako, excuse me.
So for all of us tonight, God bless you and thank you very much.
Lawyers Convention in Batangas.
Yes. Actually, nauna na ang mga junior associates ng DNR law firm. Hahabol lang ako because I was invited to deliver the closing remarks.
Who else will be there?
Ma'am, edi mga lawyers. Kaya nga po, lawyers convention, di ba?
Nananadya ka ba talaga, ha?
Ano ba sinasabi mo? Wala naman akong ginagawang masama.
Huwag mo akong gawing tanga. Kunwari ka pang napasok ka, gusto mo lang naman magpapansin sa boyfriend ko?
Ay, ko, Ira, nasasaktan ako. Bitawan mo ko!
Well, this is your last warning, Lilith. Isang beses pang pagpapapansin at pasimpleng paglanding mo sa boyfriend ko, mas worse pa dito yung gagawin ko sa'yo. At huwag mo akong kakalabanin, ha? Because I can be your worst nightmare. Tandaan mo yan.
What do you think?
It's good on you.
Sir, dapat strap is sandals.
I think that's
Patricia!
Oh, Lorena! I didn't know you came here to buy clothes too.
For special occasions only. May event kasi na inimbita si Constantino to be a speaker. So I want to show up in style. And you? Are you also dressing up for an occasion?
Just preparing for when my husband will return from his trip. Kaso hindi ko pa alam kung kailan yun mangyayari.
Oh.
Excuse me.
You know what? I think that's fabulous on you. I think your husband will adore you when he sees you wearing that.
Let me see that. It's gorgeous. Pero hindi ko maintindihan ba't kailangan mo pang magpaganda ng todo para sa asawa mo. You know, when I saw you together, I saw that he only has eyes for you.
Yeah. Oh, 25 years and still growing stronger.
Kami rin. 25 years na rin kami. And going stronger.
Excuse me, ma'am. We have to leave ASAP after niyo pong masukat mabilihan. May 5 p.m. meeting tayo kay MGM.
Okay. So, till our next chance meeting.
Next time will be fake. I'm sure of it. Good luck.
Bye.
Nice seeing you.
Thank you.
Mas worse pa dito yung gagawin ko sa'yo. At huwag mo akong kakalabanin, ha? Because I can be your worst nightmare. Tandaan mo yan.
Buti na lang, nagkaroon tayo ng break.
Finally.
Wait, girls. Look who's in the pool.
Is that her?
Yeah.
Tara. Hi, Lilet.
Please lang, Mel. Wag na yun.
Wait! Wala naman kami ginagawa sa'yo, ah.
Pwede ba? Huwag niyo nang sirain palalo yung araw ko. Lubayan niyo na ako.
Look, Lilet. Andito lang kami dahil bagot na kami sa program. So, we decided to swim. Right, girl?
Hello, Spanky? Yeah, we're still here in Batangas for the
Eh,
convention.
ikaw, parang malungkot ka. May problema ka ba?
Yeah, I'm with Era and Bonnie. Ikaw na munang bahala sa lab ha, habang wala ako.
Alam mo, para mawala yung pagka-bad trip mo, sumama ka na lang sa amin. Jumoin ka na sa amin mag-swim. Tara, girls! Let's go! Tara! Bag mo!
Wait, I'll call you again later.
Hold on.
Okay, bye.
Let's go!
Sige mo naman!
Tumigil nga kayo. Ano ba kayo? Mga lawyers kayo, hindi ba? Alam nyo naman siguro na pwede kayong kasuhan ng harassment.
Relax, attorney. Masyado ka naman pong high blood agad. Nagkukulitan lang kami ng mga girls. We're just having some fun.
Does it look like she's having fun? Di nyo ba narinig na nasasaktan si Lilet?
Eh, hindi naman po namin kasalanan na KJ si Lilet at wala siyang sense of humor. Tara na nga, girls. Ayoko na ng vibe dito.
Uy, ang bag ko!
Oh, yun na yan.
Are you okay? Huwag mo sila pansinin.